Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 7th to 21st. For September 7th to the 11th, this is what we're forecasting the pattern look like. We have a ridge here, fairly strong ridge, 594 DM ridge over the west or the southwest. Ridge here also along the east coast. And we have a trough in the middle of the nation. This trough first is over the northeast and then kind of like retrogrades back into the central U.S. You can see the pattern right here. So during this period, we will have everything from heat, cold, snow, and we also have tropical systems. So we'll have a strong cold front that will be sinking southward here with this low into the central states and the Rockies. You can see several models. And then we get to Tuesday, we have pretty heavy snow here occurring here. This cold front will drop in, but hot temperatures will continue with many record highs possible for California into the southern plains. Highs will be well into the hundreds for many areas of the central California valleys of the desert. Then this much colder air will push in to the plains by Monday. We're looking at Tuesday. And this will spread into the central and southern Rockies and plains by Tuesday, where we are right now. We'll go further into the period. And temperatures will fall dramatically. Highs in some places will and on Tuesday be more typical of late November. And within the colder air, snow will be likely in the higher elevations and even down about 5,000 feet or even lower as the precipitation subsides. The ridge in the west will support temperatures of about 10 to 20 degrees above normal. It'll cross western Washington and Oregon along with the eastern side of the western central U.S. front. Then we'll have areas of rain will be from the Midwest to the Great Lakes. See right here. And the front will continue to the east by late in the week with some locally heavy rainfall. We'll go to late in the week. You can see right here. And the front will continue. Temperature will be above normal in the east ahead of the front. And then the southern portion of the front will stall. And this will cause some rainfall from Florida, southeast, and into the eastern Appalachians. We're going to look at the period now for September 11th to the 16th. The 12th to the 16th. And you can see here the pattern really remains generally unchanged. Ridge in the west and also here across the western Atlantic. And we'll have this front that will, trough that will sink into the northeast. So models of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. And I'm forecasting anomalies at 2 to 12 degrees above normal, the highest anomalies here. Then we have below normal temperatures for this region. And the probability, anomalies would be near 6 degrees below normal. Now, some places like this here, this would be the highest elevation of the Colorado Rockies, might be as much as 12 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Then we have above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. Now we're going to look at the period for September 17th to the 21st. And the flow remains generally the same when we start the period ridge, and the trough in between. But then look what happens when we get to the end of the period. The flow kind of flattens out to more zonal. This trough lifts out and weakens, and we have near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And I think this is how it's going to look right here. This is the European ensembles. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 12 degrees above normal, and again the highest anomalies in the west. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the rocky or the tropical systems during this period. Let me see if I get them up. Okay, right here. We have a tropical system. This I think is Omar or whatever, but then we're going to have a system that will be moving across right here. These two systems are forecast to merge across the Atlantic. And then watch what happens. It kind of spins up and then goes right to the north, and this will be west. This will be east of Bermuda. So this would be probably a large hurricane, has a probability of a large hurricane, but this will be staying mostly out over the open waters, not affecting the islands or the southeast or the mid-Atlantic. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 7th to the 21st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.